As you can see, it's a beautiful day on the ridge. Had a bit of rain in the last 48 hours. Pond's a bit swollen. Got a bit of grass. And you wouldn't bloody believe it. Pepper's escaped again. The bastard. I've got a way of fixing it. Oh, we had a bit of a casualty, so in a video coming up soon, maybe this one or maybe another one, the hawks, because they've been detrimental to my ducks' living health. So 7, now I've only got one pure one left, so not very good. Got a bit of rapids through there. So the plan is next summer I'm going to dig this out, fully out to about here a bit more. Have a jetty, little boat, pub over there. Come on, Pep. So she's pushed out of here, guys. She's pretty strong, so we're just going to cable tie her up. As you can see, we're a scrap metal recycling company and we specialise in recycling all types of metals basically, and cars like this. Typically our type that we like to eat, so eat some scrap, baby. So right now we've dismantled the car as much as we can. We've taken the battery out, we've taken the cat converter out, and we've taken the fuel tank off. Now it's time to cut her up in our shear, which is a 2,000 ton shear. We've got 2 of them, it's going through one of them, and then once it's chopped up into little bits, then we flick it through the shredder like a bit of shredded ice in a blender. What's happening, Scrap family? Yeah, so what you just saw is a car getting shredded with a 120 ton shredder. For you guys in America, that's about 250,000 pounds. So it doesn't take much. As you can see, we've got pieces of metal everywhere, and it can't take long to get shredded. Well, life as that car knew it is now ended, and now we can look forward to the bigger picture of recycling and that something else new and that rubbish. So as you can see, there's a few pieces over here. That looks like that's a bit of a cog or bit of a gear from an engine or gearbox. You know, that's a premium little bit of steel right there. Before that was just a rubbish car. Looks like a bit of steel from the body, right? So that's all clean steel. That's the beauty about what we do. We can turn something that's rubbish and then we can send that on to get renewed into something better. And that's what it's all about in this day and age. So if you'd like to see some cool stuff, things you might not normally see, from outdoor adventure to metal recycling to destroying stuff to shooting stuff, then click that, dong that bell, click that like button, and let's go. Let's have an adventure together. I want to create a fun park, and I need you guys to come along with me.